You've got a column of numbers and you need the biggest one. Don't sort it. Don't scroll it. Just ask. Equals max, the range, done. 92. And its twin, min, gives you the other end. This is about the simplest function in Excel, and there's more in it than you'd think. Max hands back the largest number it can find. That's it. It reads numbers, negatives, decimals, and dates, because a date is just a big number underneath. And it quietly skips text, blanks, and true or false. The syntax is equals max, then a range or a number, and you can keep adding more with commas. Simplest case first. 5 students, 5 scores in column B. Equals max, B2 colon B6, and Excel says 92. No sorting, no filtering, no scrolling to the bottom of 1,000 rows. One formula reads the whole column and hands you the top. Now, the messy version. Someone typed absent in one cell and left another one empty. Max doesn't care. It skips both of them and gives you 80. And notice, it didn't treat that blank as a 0. It just pretended it wasn't there. Max has family. Min gives you the smallest, 65, and large gives you any rank you like. Large of the range, 2 is the second biggest, 88. In fact, large with a 1 is exactly max. So if you ever need a top 3, that's large with 1, then 2, then 3. Small does the same thing from the bottom up. Here's the bit that catches everyone. Max gives you a number. It will never tell you whose number it was, so you pair it up. Max finds 92. Match says 92 sits in the second row of that range. An index goes to the second row of the names and says Bina. Wrap all 3 together, and you've got the pattern behind every top performer report you've ever seen. Now, what if you only want the biggest number in one team? That's MAXIFS. The answer range first, then the range you're testing, then what you're testing for. So MAXIFS of the deals, where team equals sales, 150. The ops rows just don't enter the race. You'll need Excel 2019 or 365 for that one. Max can look in more than one place at a time. January in column B, February in column D, one formula across both, and the best number anywhere is 180. And here's a little trick worth stealing. Max of 0, something. That's a floor. If the subtraction goes negative, you get 0 instead. Great for stock levels and anything that shouldn't go below nothing. 3 things to watch. Numbers stored as text. Max skips them, so your real highest value can quietly hide. Multiply the column by 1 to fix it. Second, an empty range gives you 0, not an error, which looks like a real answer, and isn't. And third, it won't tell you who. That's index and match's job. Cheat sheet time. Max for the biggest, min for the smallest, large for any rank, MAXIFS when there's a condition, index and match when you need the name, and max of 0 when you need a floor. Screenshot it. And that's max. Honestly, one of the first functions worth having in your fingers because you'll use it every single week. Next up is min. Same idea, other direction. Like it, save it, and tell me in the comments which function you want after that.